Hi, welcome to Channel Trading. My apologies for the bad graphic. I just didn't have time to put it together, but I want to go over how to combine the candlesticks. It can be one candle is what you're seeing, but you can combine 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, whatever. You can combine any number of candlesticks. I just want to show you something with 3 candles in place, and then I'll also show you in the next the actual trading that has happened on ES and show how to combine that. And if you could understand this one topic, it greatly gives you insight into what's happening in the market. Okay, so the way you would do you would combine the candles is you take the open from the first candle and you take the close from the last candle, and then whatever is the highest point and the lowest point is what you draw. That's your range. So if these 3 candles are considered, and the first candle's open is here, because it's a red candle, right? So it opened here and closed there, so that's why it's red. It opened higher and closed lower, so that's why it's red. So that's why you have, first thing, you set the boundaries, the high and the low. This is the lowest point of these 3 candles, and this is the highest point of this high candle. So you have that set, and then you take the open of this and you translate it there, and the close of the last candle that you're looking at, that's what you put it here. Since the close is below the open, you paint it red. At least yeah, that's the concept. Okay, so if you look at this, even though, so this, to start with, there was the candle close negative, and then you had a massive positive candle, and then you had a negative candle and the third one. So overall, this whole thing is showing a negative bias, right? um, so that's what it will give you when you combine the candlesticks. So let's move to something in the real world, what has happened in the ES. So if you take this entire, I'm showing this entire block that I painted in blue background, and I took the entire thing, and this is what that candle, all this would, if I painted it, this is, if I combine them, this is how it's going to show. So I took the open of this, right? Open of this candle, and then and the last candle I looked at was the close of, it's closed there. So that's what this is drawn, and then that is the high of the range and the low of the range. I'm just missing the small piece here, but you get the point. That's, this whole thing showed up here. I mean, imagine the kind of negativity this particular candle is painting versus what this is showing. You know, a lot of times this might show you like, it had such a nice run up. This whole thing, you might be thinking, staying here, that it might still go up or whatever, right? But just combining the candles and showing what it is showing here, it will give you a better understanding of how negative the whole this particular box has shown out to be. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Please keep doing this. Combine the candlesticks 2, 3, 4, 5 a number, and see how it enhances your trading. Okay, hope this is helpful. Thank you. If it is truly helpful to you, please subscribe and press the bell icon. I post 3 to 4 times